Welcome to a new audio-guided meditation by People in the Sky. This is a body scan meditation. Put yourself into a relaxing, comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. So start by closing your eyes and focusing on the natural breath. Feeling its rhythmic movement, the way it moves our whole body, our chest, our belly, in and out. Let us enjoy this meditation under the beautiful sounds of rain. And again, whenever thoughts or other distractions come into our awareness, let us welcome them. Let them come and go without attaching to them. Let them exist without giving much attention to them at the same time. And let us return back to the purpose of the meditation, feeling our breath, Now allow yourself to feel what comes from your feet, the sensations from your feet. Are they pleasant sensations or unpleasant ones? How do your feet feel? Now let yourself be aware of the bodily sensations that come from your legs. What about your tibias? What about your knees? Are they feeling good? Are they in pain? Is there any particular negative or positive sensation? Let it all be part of the present moment. Accept it the way it is. The same goes for your thighs also. Now you may keep on moving towards the middle part of your body. How does your pelvis feel? Be aware of the lower part of your back, of your buttocks, of the genital area. Allow all the sensations from this middle part of your body come into your consciousness. Now let yourself be aware of your belly and of your back. How does it feel in this particular part of your body? What are the sensations that come from this area? Good or bad ones, it doesn't matter. They are all part of the present moment. Be aware of all of them. And now our body scan can move towards our chest and the upper back. Do you feel your heart beat? Let us be easily aware of the movement, of the expansion of the chest as we breathe. Let's now be aware of our shoulders, arms, elbows, hands, and of each of our fingers, the way they feel. All sensations, all of it part of the present moment. Embracing the present moment. Let us now be aware of the sensations from the neck that supports our head and our brain. The neck, which is the center of the throat chakra, of the blue chakra. Let us feel this particular area of our body. How does our throat feel? Through the throat we breathe, we drink, we eat, we sing. How does that part feel? And let us feel our head now, our face, our chin, our mouth. How does our mouth feel? Our lips, are they dry? Are they feeling soft? Our mouth is the part of our body that allows the food and the water that nourish us and hydrates us to get in our system. How does the nose feel? Is it blocked? Is it free and open? The airways. How do the eyes feel? Our front, our eyebrows, the right and the left one. How do our scalp feel? How do the ears feel? Now I will be aware of all of my body at the same time. The feet, the legs, the knees, the middle part, belly, chest, back, the neck, the shoulders, the arms, my head, everything at the same time. Let it all be part of the present moment awareness. Easily, gently. It doesn't take much effort to be aware. It is already there, all of these sensations, actually. And we may continue like this for a while, feeling our breath, feeling the way our body moves with the breath, being easily, gently aware of all sensations that come from our physical body. And whenever we feel ready, we may very gently start moving our fingertips, our wrists, stretch a little bit, yawn maybe, and whenever we feel okay with it, we may open our eyes and return to the reality.